very hot and humid. If you haven't been outside since this morning, you're going to notice a considerable difference out there. Let me show you these temperatures warming up all ahead of this rain. It feels super muggy out there, or even humid. 97 in McAllen, and as well as here in Weslaco, 96 in Brownsville, and about 95 degrees right now in Harlingen. So there's not much of a wind here in the mid valley or in the upper valley. However, near the coast, that's a little bit different. It's a different story. Port Isabel, you're gusting with winds out of the south near 22 miles per hour. Same thing for Brownsville, near 23 miles per hour. But the farther inland you go, you see the winds aren't as strong. Now, your day planner forecast does call for showers and thunderstorms to develop in the second half of the day. So be sure to keep your umbrella with you. I know it doesn't look like it is the type of setup where we'll see any rain at all, but it is coming. Okay, so let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. The Doppler network, it is quiet, but you notice just outside Encino to the east, you just start to see a few little rain showers pop up. But let's zoom out a little bit, and you can see the majority of this rain. It's well to our north, but it is slowly drifting south, and it will continue to impact our forecast for the afternoon, and that's where we're going to get some of our showers from. I'll show you in a second. But zooming out and looking across the Lone Star State, behind that little line of rain, everything is pretty much dry, but that moisture continues to go all along the Gulf Coast states, and you zoom out even farther and you can see that behind it it's very dry, and then some showers and thunderstorms moving through Minnesota this afternoon. Thing about it is, the rain that we're going to get, it could be heavy at times, but we're not expecting anything severe. The only severe potential remains in the upper Midwest near the Great Lakes today, and the rest kind of depletes as it goes farther south. You see we're just in this general light green category, and that puts us in the general thunderstorm category. So we really do need the rain. I mean, we're still experiencing very dry conditions in the valley this afternoon. So future track indicates that some of those showers or thunderstorms could drift down here. I don't expect a whole bunch of widespread rain like what this particular model is showing, but it could be heavy as it passes by. And then what happens around 6 or 7 is it starts to kind of wind down. By about 9 or 10 o'clock, everything is almost gone or pretty much cleared out at that time, and then we'll be left with partly cloudy skies overnight. So from here, your rain chances are going to continue to decline. We'll go from 30% of the valley getting a shower or thunderstorm today down to 10% for the weekend. That drier air moves in, and we're back to triple-digit heat before you know it. We're tracking the tropics this afternoon. We have an update for you in the Atlantic. This little tropical wave will continue to make its way west. It has a 60% chance of developing into something over the next 5 days. We'll be watching that for those developments. But right now, it's no threat. And in fact, the only thing that really we're seeing on the coast are maybe those spotty storms in the second half of the day. A moderate chop on the bay. Near shore waters will stay between about 2 and 4 feet. The heat is going to be widespread, folks. We're talking 89 at the coast to 98 when you get into Weslaco, Harlingen, and Raymondville. 100 to 103 degrees in Edinburg, McAllen, and Rio Grande City. Could get a few degrees warmer than that. Just depends on when that rain arrives to kind of cool things down a tad bit. So here you go, your first Warn 5 7-day forecast. 78 will be your overnight low, back to 99 with a few showers tomorrow. Triple-digit heat returns when we take away those rain chances. We're back down to 10% or less of the valley getting a stray shower or two Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So really no favorable rain chances after today. Your daytime highs will hold in the upper 90s. Overnight lows will stay in the upper 70s. And that's your updated first Warn 5 forecast. Let's go over to Gabriella with our Pet of the Week.